Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add an image to your apps and website projects on Lovable AI. So let us guide you through it. Head over to your app project. I will go with this project here for the sake of this tutorial. Now you can ask the artificial intelligence to do that. Let's go for example with that cover image here for that app. So what you want to do is simply interact with the artificial intelligence here in the bottom left. But before you do that and enter your command, for example, enter the command to prompt replace that image or find a specific image. Like, I don't know, specific image. You may do that also manually, guys, by navigating to visual edits here in the bottom left. By clicking into the given visual element, which is in this case here this image. And here to the left you will see that preview. Now if I hover my mouse over it, I will see that option. I can replace that image, as you can see, with images and photos in a JPEG, PNG file format up to 20 MB. So to do that, simply click into upload file here and locate the image on your device. And after that, enter or replace that image, and you can do that without asking Lovable AI to do that for you. So these are the two options. Below that you can adjust the image settings for the one you replaced, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.